Veteran athletics analyst Hubert Lawrence passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The local and international track and field community is in mourning and shock following the sudden passing of highly respected athletics journalist and broadcaster Hubert Lawrence. Lawrence, 64, was found unresponsive at his house in St. Catherine on Friday. A proud St. Jago Pass student, Lawrence rose to prominence as a columnist and ever-present analytical reference on the local and international track and field coverage. He also cemented his reputation as a foremost authority on Jamaican and international track and field statistics, an insight and a co-author of the acclaimed Power of Glory, Jamaican in the world of athletics from World War II to the Diamond League era, and has been featured in several major publications such as Champs 100 and 50 Days of Fire, his most recent effort. Lawrence has featured on a number of important panels including the Olympic Games, World Athletics Championship, the Carifta Game, and all major local meets. The journalist's passing has triggered several responses from members of the media fraternity, track and field enthusiasts and interests, as well as a number of public figures and admirers. He was due to be a member of today's Gibson McCook Relay TV coverage. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association issued a release stating, "The J3 is deeply saddened by the passing of an extraordinary track and field analyst and journalist Hubert Lawrence. He dedicated his life to the sport we love. Sincere condolences to his many friends and family. May his soul rest in peace." And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.